Ow! Hey! That's not fair.
Yeah, it is.
Come on, brothers.
We don't know you.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't, do we, Bugs?
No. Nuh-uh. Come on, Alan. You know me, don't you?
No.
How could you say that? No. Don't hit your sister. Bugs, give me a hug. Why does everyone not like me? I'm an explorer. Who doesn't like exploring? Brothers! They're trying to escape from me. Brothers! Where did they go? Brothers! Brothers? I can't find them anymore. I'll just sit here. Thankfully, you got away, right, Alden?
Mm-hmm.
Let's just tell the audience, Dora is not our sister. Never. She is not our sister. She's just a crazy stalker. Okay. Right, Scooby?
Right.
Okay, so she's over it. She's really fat. It looks like she's awake, but she's sleeping, ironically. Bugs!